Hello, you're welcome back. My name is Harrison, and we are still dealing with latitude and longitude. I have a question on the board. An aeroplane leaves the point X 43 degrees north, 71 degrees west, and flies due east at 500 kilometers per hour. After 3 hours, question A, how far has it traveled? B, what is its longitude? So here we are looking for distance and longitude. So we start. First of all, we have to draw. Okay. So we are now going to locate 43 degrees north, 71 degrees west. So let's take this to present that. Yes, 71 degrees west. So this is the point we are talking about. So let's call this X. But the airplane took off from X and then traveled due east, that's to the right. So let us assume that this is the second point. And then our center should be from the small circle. So we have this and this. So let us take this to be y. So the distance is along parallel of latitude, xy. So if we bring it out, it will look like this. And this is our x, this is our y. And then let's take this to be our theta. Okay. But we were told that the plane traveled for 3 hours. After 3 hours, the plane has covered 1,500 kilometers. Why? That is 3 times 500. So then that means from X to Y, that's covered 1,500. Now, the next thing is, how do we get the longitude? Because we were asked, what is its longitude? We have succeeded in getting the distance, and that is question A. So question B now, we use our formula, and that is arc xy is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi small r because we are dealing with small circle. And this will give us 1,500 equal to theta over 360 times 2 times 3.142 multiplied by capital R cos alpha. Remember that here, our alpha should be equal to 43 degrees. Now, we move on. That should be 1,005 theta over 360 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3.142, multiplied by 6400 cos 43 degrees. Meanwhile, we were asked to take pi we're asked to take pi to be 3.142 and capital R 6400 kilometers. So take note of that. Okay, so moving on now, we have 1005 equal to theta over 360 multiplied by 2 times 3.142 multiplied by 6400 times. We check our calculator. Check our calculator and we have 0.7314. 7314. So we move on, and that will give us 1005 times 360 is equal to theta multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3.142 times 6400 times 0.7314. Now we are going to use the whole of this to divide. Therefore, our theta should now be 1005 times 360 all over 2 times 3.142 and then times 6400 multiplied by 0.7314. So, and if we multiply it out like that, we are going to have 540. We have to come up to move on. So we come up here. We have 5,4, that's from here. Therefore, theta is equal to 540,000. We are dividing by, to multiply out, we have 29,415,153. 153. That will give us finally to give us 18.4 degrees approximately. So we are now at the point of trying to find the longitude of the second point. That's the longitude of y. So moving on from here, therefore, longitude of y should be equal to, remember that since the longitude of y is east of x, it means we have to subtract whatever value we have from this longitude, that is from 71 degrees. Because as you are coming back, it will be decreasing until you get to 0 degree, then it will continue to increase to the right until you get to 180. So that will be 71 degrees minus 18.4 degrees. That will now give us 52.6 degrees. So the longitude of y is 52.6 degrees west. It is still west because we have a positive answer. Assuming that we have negative answer, it means it has crossed to the eastern part. But as far as this one is positive, it's still within the western part. So we have come to the end of this question. But before I leave finally, I would like to give you some questions. I have 2 questions on the board, and the first one is to find the parallel of latitude, which a journey of this makes a change of this in longitude. The second one, we have to find the longitude of B to the nearest whole number. So I would like you to look at it. If you find solution to it, you can put it in the comment section, or if there's any problem, let me know in the comment section so that I will look at it and find solution to it. Then in the next video, I'll discuss it. Thank you.